I'm often asked, why won't insurance companies pay for functional medicine? And it is a really good question, and it is a head scratcher because you would think that any kind of medicine that is looking for the root cause of a disease, that doesn't rely on prescribed medications, surgery, or procedures to treat the condition, would be wanted and welcomed by the insurance companies. However, it is the opposite. So why is that? Well, a couple of reasons. So functional medicine could be considered on the outside of traditional Western medicine. Now, those of us who practice functional medicine know it's completely not true. However, the insurance companies are pretty much focused on your basic blood tests, get prescriptions, see your doctor, on and on and on. It's geared to disease maintenance and people paying premiums and going back to the doctors and remaining in the system. It is not geared for people dealing with the root cause, for dealing with their lifestyle, for not getting chronic diseases which are largely preventable. Now, United States, great medicine. If you have an acute problem like a broken bone, appendicitis, kidney stone, great. We are not good at the chronic illnesses that are largely preventable and treatable with things other than prescription medications. And having been in medicine for 40 years, where I've discovered over the years, there is no real incentive for the insurance companies to get out of the system that people are in. I will call it a big behemoth, medical, economic, political giant that has no interest in changing except for making money. Now, that doesn't say that us doctors don't want to do our job, because we do. The problem is we are trapped in a system that makes us treat our patients in the paradigm that we are in. That's how we get paid, that's what's covered by insurance, and that's what people can largely afford. So while unfortunate that is the way it is, I would strongly recommend, if you have the facility and the wherewithal to see a functional medicine doctor, do it. Because in the long run, you will save money. You will get healthier. You won't necessarily rely on prescription medications. And generally speaking, it's just, to me, a more holistic approach to one's well-being. And if you like this video, hit follow.